Alright guys, so today we are going to work on the Miata's dash lights, and now they are green. It's alright, I don't really like the green. I want some a bit more sporty and something a bit more in your face. You can't really see the green on the car right now, you can kind of see it. I don't know if you can see it even now, but it's daylight out and you can kind of see it. It'd be better at night, but it's not. So we're going to change those out to red. And I do have it here, but anyway, we're going to get right into that. So let's start taking the dash apart and doing everything like that. So the first thing we're going to want to do, we're going to jump right into it, is we're going to take this plastic cover off right here. So I already took mine off, but the first thing you want to do is come down here and start lifting it up slowly, just right there. Do the same thing to the other side, pop it up, and then you can just grab it and pull it out. And you can see your steering rack and everything in there. Alright guys, so I decided to take off the entire steering column and everything just so I can see up here. All that's holding this top cover in is just a few clips, and we'll pop that out, get into the dash, and change those green lights out and make this thing look hopefully a lot better. Alright, so what I found out is by lifting this up and then sticking a screwdriver in here and just prying it out, it pops that clip out into there. It's just like a little tab, and then you can just move on to the other sides and pull this thing out. That was a bit rough, but okay, so now you can see all these little tabs in here that I was talking about right there, all these little ones. So you just got to pop them out. This is where I use a screwdriver and just kind of pried it out to start it. And yeah, pretty sure they do sell carbon fiber ones of these, and I kind of want to get one because that's pretty cool. Anyways, let's move on to this and take the dash out, which is 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so there are a few clips in here before we go yanking it out. One right there, one right here, and the black one right there. So let's take this out, get this dash finally removed. Alright guys, so here is the red bulb that is in, and this is the old green one. I think it's just a cap on it, like film that just goes on top of it. And yeah, this just goes right in place of it and back into the hole perfectly, just like that. And we'll take this one, and this one out and change the rest of the bulbs. All these other ones are separate lights. Anyway, let's get to this, finish it off, and test it, and hopefully they work. Alright guys, so here is the first test. Yo, it's actually red. No way. Dang, it actually looks really good. As far as I can see, I think all of them work. I just want to check the dimming, so I'm gonna have to mute it right now because the Miata's gonna freak out. Alright, it dims and everything. The only thing is that odometer gauge right there and trip and A and B, whatever, is still green, so that kind of sucks. But anyway, it all works, so that's really cool. I'm really happy with it. I think it looks really good. Anyway, hopefully when it gets dark out, I'll show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright guys, so here is a little free mod. So if you don't like the green, this is just like a kind of a cover that goes on it. As you can see, it kind of pulls off, and I don't know, it's just kind of a free mod. If you don't like the green, you can just put it to the original bulb, and there you go. Well, it's already out, so we might as well just try it. Definitely, if you don't like the green, just take the cap off of it, and you can do that too, so that's kind of a plus. So, you know, let's put it in and see what color it is. So the untinted green bulb is going to be this one, so here it is. And as you can see, it's like a yellow. I think that looks pretty good. It fades into this red, so I mean, it looks really cool. I actually kind of like it. So yeah, definitely if you don't like the green, you can switch it out to a yellow light. So I think it looks really good. But I'm gonna go with the red because I just spent $10 on it and changed the dash out, and I think it looks really good. So yeah, definitely if you don't want to spend $10 on bulbs, you can just take the green caps off, put them back in, and you're good to go. But anyway, we're gonna switch it back to the red and show you guys what it looks like in the dark. So yeah, this is the brand I did use. I forgot to tell you guys, but anyway, there it is. I'll leave a link down below, so there's no guesswork when you're online. There will be a link down below so you guys can just check them out, and they have other colors too. It's not just red. But anyway, leave a link down below, and I'll catch you guys when it's nighttime. So here are the red lights at night when they're all done. Dang, it's not even turned up all the way. Ready? Oh, that looks so good. That's how you do it. That's how you change your lights. Again, I gotta get a smaller bulb for the green down there. And then my HVAC lights, HVAC, gotta change them out. Gotta take everything out though. That's gonna be kind of a pain, but that's something we're gonna have to do in the future to match the red, because I don't want to look like a Christmas tree in here. Anyway, that's what it looks like. I'm very happy with it, and I hope you guys are too. So that was a pretty simple install, and if you guys found this video informational or you enjoyed it, drop a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It'll help the channel out a lot. If you guys have any other suggestions for what we should do, leave a comment down below. But until the next video with whatever we're gonna do, I'll catch you guys then. Until then, goodbye.